First time I've ever printed anything clear. I did change the fan speed. We'll let it sit for a second. That's pretty cool, actually. I did change the fan speed a little bit. You can see where I changed it right here because it was starting to get kind of milky over there. But it seems to be printing some kind of layers either way. But we'll see how well it works. It's this old mono price clear filament, so I just gotta get this off of here and then put it on the Game Boy and see how well it fits. Should be pretty cool though. And the file, I found this file on where did I find it? I think it was. No, it was on Thingiverse. Anyway,